So you're finally getting on your way to your asteroid encounters. Say, which Trojan asteroid are you visiting first, Lucy? Euripides! You still have quite a long journey before you get there. So, why don't you tell us what you already know about this first Trojan target? You're right, we don't know much about these objects. Just yet. Keep in mind, our only observations of these asteroids have been from a great distance away, from telescopes back here on Earth, and with the Hubble Space Telescope. Scientists have used all kinds of different telescopes to get basic information about Lucy's Trojan asteroid destinations, where they are, how they're moving, how big they are, their general color, and, if we're lucky, a very rough idea of their general shape. But nothing compares to actually flying right past these asteroids and getting a close-up view. And that's where Lucy comes in. Yeah, exciting. This is the first close-up of these worlds. You'll be learning as much as you can about these Trojan asteroids and giving us a new glimpse into what these distant worlds are. Now get some rest, Lucy. It'll be a long journey before you get to your first destination.